So the first color we're doing is neon. See this? We're doing neon first. The slime neon. Let's see what's in the slime neon. Why isn't it coming out? Let me get it out. There, that's the boy. Yeah? Holy crap. This is long. Let me just get some off. Let's see if I can find something. What? Just tell me if you spot something. Comment down below, astronaut, if you spot something, okay? What? I can feel something. What is this? It looks like an astronaut. Wow, it's like an astronaut with a very shiny. Oh, where did it go? It's like an astronaut with a very shiny thing, whatever you call it. Let me get the slime off this thing and look at it with the slime off. That's how it looks like, yeah? Let's put it there. Just tell me if you spot something else. I know we're doing 3 slimes. Today we're doing 3 slimes. We can't spot anything. Let me put some more slime here. I can't spot anything. Let me put it back. No. Not coming out. Yeah. No. There. That's the first one done. That's the first one done. What's in the Just ignore the noise, okay? This is the second one is lava. Yeah, let me open it. Whoa, that was close. Let me see. Oh man, that's a lot of lava. Let me see if I can spot something. Just comment down below cows if you spot anything. Why can I feel something? Is that something? Did I find something? It's another astronaut sitting. Wow. Let me put it there again. My sister's finding. No. Okay, I found a rocket ship. Wow. Let's see if I can glide. Holy crap, this can move the whole slime. You can go under slime. Okay, cool. Now it's the third slime's turn. Let me put that slime back. No. Only if you want to see which slime we just did. 103. Let me put it back there. Just tell me what you did on. We're just adding more slimes. There's so many slimes to go through. Yeah? There's so many. Let me put the lid. Now this is how it looks like. Lava, yeah? Some people say that lava is not the best color or red. Now you're gonna get amazed. This is the most shiny slime I have. It's called Chili. It's like a galaxy. Let's open it. Wow. This is so good. Let me. Oh, holy cracks! This slime is so good. Just tell me if you can't see anything, because there's so many slimes in the way. Okay, I am gonna. I found something. What is it? My sister finding this. No, please. खाली तुम स्वागत कर कुछ ना था what did I found? What? It's some galaxy. I don't want to mix my slime with each other. What? Where? What? I found something. Oh, it's a rocket ship, a big rocket ship. It's like a rock. Have you seen these rocket ships before? Put them. We also found this. Wow, it's like a thing. Let's squish it. Yeah. Squish it. Head, satisfying. Here. This is so satisfying, yeah? We will soon do try not to laugh challenge, yeah? Next! No. Wow. I don't want it to mix now. Put it there. Okay, now let's put it back. Like that. Whoa. Wait, stop. Sorry. Sorry. The thing we just did was chili. Now let's put it back. It's galaxy. The second thing is galaxy. What? Let's see what. Very squished, guys. Too energetic itu. Pukul one very squished. Wow. I'm gonna do it. So satisfying. I'm gonna do it. Yeah, no fighting. Wow, so satisfying. Look at the slide. Let me. What are the phone? Let's try to find something. I'm finding something. I'm finding something. Wait, boy. Something. My sister and me are doing the great thing. We're finding stuff. Okay. I found. You want to fire curtain? Look. Wow. That's what we found. I found something. Is it? We found the moon. Wow. That is so lucky. So lucky. And guys, comments below if you like slimes. Yeah. Comment slime if you like slime. Like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. Pretty please. Nah. Please like and subscribe to our channel or Hero Brian will come to you. If you don't got Minecraft, what you got? If you are on Roblox, we'll hack your account. If you don't. Wait, not that. Sorry guys, we're not doing that. Sorry, this accident. Okay. No. Bye. The next slime is moon. Let's see how moon looks like. Ho ho. Mix. Next slime is moon. This doesn't look like the moon, but just tell me if you spot anything. You know, guys, just my brother mixed the colors, so I'm sorry. Please comment down below space if you spot something. I found something. I found this. Let me show you guys. Wow, isn't that cool? Now it's my turn. No, you can't do it. It's my turn. Wait. I spot something. It's a rocket ship. Wow. Shoo. Let's put it back. Now your turn. Whoa. Did I spot something? Wow, it's that thing again. Let's put it back. Now, let me try to find something. I found another rocket ship. Wow. I am the luckiest man in the world. Whoa. Can we find something? Wow, we found an astronaut. I think that's it. No, we have to find the moon that we found last time. These are so secure. Did I found something? We found the moon. What?
My turn.
And we found the space guy. Stop.
No, I didn't have a turn.
What are you doing? You're spoiling my YouTube world.
Okay, listen. I spot something.
It's in planet. Wow.
It's not a planet. It's my turn.
Wait, Father, it's no turns. We have to do it together. We spotted a space guy. Oh, we're spotting so many things.
I find this.
Wow, wow. Put them all in, and that's the end of our video. Bye, guys.